Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale. And comes equipped with navigation, Sensitech leatherette upholstery, garage door transmitter, wood door panel insert, bi-xenon HID headlamps, anti-theft AM/FM CD audio system, leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away, wood console insert, wood dashboard insert, BMW Assist eCall emergency communication system, and much more. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.